What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As we all know, the new iPhones are out and it's been a few months since they have been released, so that means new cases are starting to come out. And today I wanted to do a short video on a case that I picked up for mine. I recently bought the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which you can see here. I got this case on it right now. A nice cheap design that I picked up from Amazon. I'll leave a link below for you just in case you guys want to pick it up. It's cool. It's got a little slide to it so it can cover up your camera lens. But today we are going to be unboxing the Speck case. Okay. Presidio 2 grip. Okay. Now, see, I don't know if you could tell from here. You can see it's got ridges in it. This particular Speck case, this model Speck case, has been going on for a while now, for different generations of the iPhone. It's a case that I normally like to pick up for it because it's nice and slim. It's got like a rubber ridges on it, so it's double protection, double coating for your iPhone. So in my opinion, it's a pretty great case. So today, that's what we're going to be unboxing. New case, new iPhone, new year. Okay, let's see here. I paid almost $50. I paid $48.59 with tax. Let's see. On the front, it says MagSafe fast charging compatible. Let's see. It says warranty guaranteed. And let's see, on the back it says lifetime warranty, 13-foot drop protection, raised bezel, fast charge compatible. Okay, now it says fast charge compatible, but I haven't actually used this product yet. I'm hoping it works with my wireless charging pads and stuff like that. It's pretty slim, so I'm thinking it will, but that's something I'll have to test out later on. But like I said, here's the case here. Speck case. Everybody knows Speck. Everybody knows their products are great. This particular model has always been great with my iPhones. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay. Pull it out of the case just like this. Nothing to it. And this is what she looks like, okay? Just our average Speck case, but they are also designed very well, very slim, modern looking. It's got the rubber ridges on it, hard plastic, and then rubber ridges. That's what she looks like. You got your giant hole for your 3 cameras. So let's go ahead and pop that on right now. Alright, so we gotta take off this case first. Okay. Alright, this is what it looks like. The iPhone 13 Pro Max. You guys have probably already seen this phone. You probably already own one of these phones. This is what she looks like. Okay. Now putting it in the case is nothing. Okay. Super simple. Super easy. Look at this. Done. It's already in the case. Now look at this thing. Look at how it looks. Super slim. Super protected. It's got the, like I said, the ridges on there, and you know, it's not bulky. It's not going to be, you know, bulging out of your pocket, anything like that. It's great product, great company. They always deliver when it comes to these cases. That's probably why they're well funded and they can brand them the way that they do. And that's what it is, guys. That's going to be it for this video. I will leave a link in the description down below for you, just in case you want to pick one up for yourself. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.